By 2030, it's estimated that over $30 trillion will be shifted into the hands of women. In general, women tend to live longer, may take on caregiving roles, and could manage finances independently at some point. These factors don't make retirement more difficult, but they can influence planning considerations. Well, because of this, conversations often need to include topics like sustainability, flexibility, and understanding available options. So whether planning individually or part of a couple. This perspective can be very helpful for couples as well, since planning should account for different scenarios over time. We don't know when we're going to pass away, right? So at this stage of life, understanding options and the trade-offs often really matters more than trying to optimize every detail.